Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Kritika Suresh Antekar and today I will be sharing a review of 3 wick scented candle. So the first thing that comes to your mind is why should I be purchasing such expensive 3 wick candles, or what is the need of it? This was the same thought that I had before, but once my best friend introduced me to these candles, and I have been trying out these, and the experience has been amazing. So I just thought of sharing my experience with everyone, and maybe it benefits you in some way. I would like to share my personal experiences. I actually light up this candle for about half an hour or 1 hour if I have trouble sleeping, if I'm stressful, if I'm tired, I'm having a very tiring day, and it actually helps me calm down and gives us very soothing effect, and actually helps me attract positivity and keep my thoughts together. The first product that we will be reviewing today is from Vita. It is an Indian brand, and it is from the Kalki collection, Fresh Mogra. So Vida as a brand has many collections with their 1 wick candles and 3 wick candles. Mostly mostly the fragrances are floral, Rajnikanda, Jasmine, Mogra, and trust me guys, it does justice to the name and the fragrance. So I'll start with the packaging. This comes in a tinted box, and it comes in a very authentic, traditional packaging, and it actually represents Indian culture. And it has a national bird peacock printed on it. Along with it, it has a very good color combination. So if you light this candle in any corner of the house, I guess it will give you a very good vibe, and this will actually look good in any corner of your house. So this candle has a burn time of 40 hours, and I usually burn this candle for around half an hour, and my room will have this fragrance for around 3 to 4 hours. So I believe the performance is really very good. And with regards to the smell, it actually smells like Mogra. It has a very fresh vibe to it, and it doesn't have a very strong smell which will actually cause me a headache, but it is strong, but the floral notes are balanced, and trust me, it just does justice to the product description that they have. I bought this product from Nykaa for 1125 INR during Nykaa sale. So if you love floral, this is the product you will really like. But if you're not the person who loves floral, then I guess you'll have to wait for the next product to be reviewed. The next product that I will be reviewing is from Bath and Body Works, and this is the product that I will be reviewing. It is Mahogany Teak Wood Scented Candle, and this is a 3 wick candle from Bath and Body Works. And I got my hands on this product due to my gut feeling. I actually love the smell of teak wood, and while I was buying this product, I thought that I should give it a try. And trust me, I did not regret it a bit. So this has a very woody fragrance. It actually feels like you're into a forest, and it has a very luxurious smell. So it actually smells like luxury. If you smell this, it actually feels like you're in a 5-star hotel on a holiday, and it actually calms yourself down. This is product from Bath and Body Works, and I bought this from sale. So I got this for 999 INR, but the actual value of this product is 2500 INR. Bath and Body Works has a lot of sale going on, so they have end of season sale, festive sales, and you may get this product for 999, or else you can buy two each for 1299 INR. So that depends. So I would suggest you to buy this product from Bath and Body Works official website. So I will link that in the description below. This product has a burn time of 35 to 40 hours, and I usually burn this candle for around 1 hour, and this has the fragrance is in my room for about 7 to 8 hours. So yes, I believe this does justice to the product description, and this is a very good candle for beginners, and also for people who do not like floral fragrances, and actually smells luxury, and it actually looks luxury. So this is how the packaging looks, and this is a 5 on 5 from my end. So yes, so these two are the products that I use on a daily basis, and this is the experience that I just wanted to share with you people, and I hope this review was helpful. Until my next video, Take care of yourself and your family, and may you have a very blessed day.